to Advantage members, One World frequent flyers, and our partner airline guests. If you are not an Advantage member, you can join for free in-flight and earn miles for today's trip. Plus, Advantage members have access to free high-speed Wi-Fi sponsored by AT&T. Connect to the aainflight.com signal and log into your Advantage account to browse, email, text, and stream. For flight connections and travel info, visit aa.com or the American app at any time. You may now begin using large electronic devices. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed. While you are seated, please keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to the crew even when the seatbelt sign is off, as turbulence can happen unexpectedly. In the event of turbulence, the flight attendants may need to be seated. We apologize if this interrupts our service. If you open an overhead bin compartment, use caution as carry-on items may have shifted during takeoff. Please keep the aisle and galley areas clear. There are 2 lavatories, one in the front and one in the back. American is now offering free in-flight Wi-Fi sponsored by AT&T for all Advantage members, and you can access it today on this flight. To enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi, visit aainflight.com, log into your Advantage account, and start browsing, emailing, texting, streaming, and staying connected, all for free. Not an Advantage member? You can sign up in flight by visiting aainflight.com after connecting to the AA in-flight network. We hope you enjoyed this latest upgrade to our premium experience. Shortly, we will begin our in-flight service on this flight. We are offering a selection of complimentary beverages with accompaniment. Please refer to the menu in the seatback pocket for beverage options. You may also purchase alcoholic beverages using a digital wallet or a contactless credit or debit card. As a reminder, drinking personal alcohol you brought on board is not permitted. If there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please don't hesitate to ask.